Hi guys, so Ronan here again. We will have another video for today. So sa ngayon ang i-vlog natin is the Chooktech CP25 power bank. So for me this is the best or one of the best budget travel power banks, and mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit. Okay? So ayan, so meron tayong dalawa rito. Isang gray and isang blue. So meron pa siyang ibang mga colors. So first of all, di-discuss muna natin yung mga specs niya. So this is a 20,000 milliampere hour na power bank. So malaki yung capacity niya. As you can see yan, medyo ganyan siya kalaki. And it has, so yan, nakikita nyo, para siyang hawakan. Pero aside from being hawakan, this is also a built-in USB Type-C cable. So, yan. Very convenient. Hindi ka na mag-worry na nakalimutan mo yung cable, hindi ka makapag-charge. So, palagi siya nandyan. And it also doubles as a handle. So, make sure lang na, of course, malak mo siya doon para hindi siya malaglag. Kasi pag hindi siya nakalak, possible na malaglag yung power bank. So, yan. So aside from 20,000 aside from the capacity, this power bank is also airline safe or travel safe. So usually ang mga power banks na inaalaw sa eroplano is or should be below 100 watt hour power banks. So itong power bank na to is just 74 watt hour power bank. So definitely below that. Perfect siya for travel since malaki na siya and pasok siya doon sa limit. Okay? So now, also another thing that's good with this power bank is that this can charge up to 55 watts. Okay? So yung 55 watts na yon, this works with any compatible Xiaomi products, smartphones, tablets. So pasok dyan yung Xiaomi, Redmi, saka mga Poco. Okay? So, well, ako puro ganun yung mga products ko. Right now, ito I'm using this Poco Pad M1 tablet, and I'm also using itong Poco X8 Pro Max. Ayan. So, pasok siya, na-charge ko to ng 55 watts maximum. So, medyo mabilis-bilis na rin yun actually. Aside from that, this power bank can also charge up to 45 watts. 45 watts na power delivery 3.0. So, hindi lang siya pang fast charge ng mga Xiaomi products. This can also fast charge almost any of your gadgets na kayang mag fast charge. Also, another good thing is that this is compatible with Samsung Super Fast Charging 2.0. So, kung di ako nagkakamali, up to 45 watts din yun. Yung mga anak ko naka Samsung phones yun, and definitely nakakapag fast charge sila. So that's really good. So of course hindi lang Samsung, ayan, even iPhones, other Android smartphones and tablets, makakapag fast charge ka using this. And another thing that's good with this, since it can charge up to 45 watts, yung mga light small laptops, you can also charge using this. So, di ba may mga laptops na nag-charge via USB-C? So, hindi lang smartphones, hindi lang tablets. You can also charge your laptops that uses Type-C charging using this. So, very handy. Now, when it comes to that, yung being a 20,000 capacity na power bank, this can actually charge kapag full batch siya, 100%. This can charge your smartphone, a regular smartphone or a standard smartphone, usually around 5,000 milliampere hours, up to 4 times. So, nalobat ka, let's say 20%, kaya niyang i-full bat to up to 104 times tuwing nalolobat ka. More or less yan, of course, depende pa rin sa capacity ng phone mo. When it comes to tablets, more or less mga twice. Dalawang tablet kaya niya i-full bat. And for laptop, mga once kaya niya ma-charge using this. Okay? So also pala, This one has, ayan, this one has a or an LCD so that you can check the charge ng power bank mo. Ayan, 48% to ngayon. Medyo baliktad. Ito, low-bat na siya. 0. So, charge ko ito mamaya. Ayan. So, very good. May pindutan din dito for you to know or for you to check that. Also, to give you the ports here. So, aside from this built-in cable na Type-C, you also have two other ports. Another Type-C here. And another Type-A na port. So, etong built-in na Type-C, this is an in and out na cable. So, you can charge your gadgets using this. You can also charge the power bank using this. Same thing with this other Type-C na port. Kapag nagkabit ka na ng cable dito na Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to whatever, you can charge this power bank and you can also charge other gadgets na nagka-charge via Type-C or whatever. So in and out din to, and this one yung Type-A, charge out lang siya. So if you notice, tatlo siya, no? So this one, and this one. So yes, tama ang iniisip nyo kung gusto nyo tanongin na pwede ba siya mag-charge ng multiple gadgets. Yes, it can. However, the thing here is that kung isa lang yung charge mo, you can use the full maximum power of the power bank. So 45 watts, 55 watts kung isa lang yung charge mo. However, kung dalawang charge mo o tatlo, mahati yung power na yun. So just for your information, ayun, medyo babagal siya. And so there, ano pa ba? So yun. So I really think that this is one of the best budget power banks. So bakit ko nasabing budget? Kasi this one actually goes around 2,000 pesos sa Shopee, sa official Chuktec na store sa Shopee. However, most of the time naka-sale siya ng around 1,500. And aside from that, usually around 6,600, 7,700, 8,800 sale, bumabagsak pa siya up to around more or less 1,000 pesos na lang. So at that price, sobrang sulit nitong power bank na to. 20,000 milliampere hour, airline safe, multiple ports, built-in cable. So very simple, very handy, sobrang daling gamitin. So if you would be able to get this at 1,000 pesos or around 1,000 pesos, sobrang sulit yan, huwag nyo na pakawalan. I will be putting the link dito sa description para ma-check nyo tong or para makuha nyo tong power bank na to. Malapit na yung 8/8 sale, so abangan nyo yan, malamang sa malamang magbababa uli yan. Just use your vouchers for you to get this at around 1,000 pesos. So yun lang, ginawa ko to kasi ayoko tong i-gatekeep. Hindi sikat na brand si Chuktec, pero this is definitely a very much quality, on par with the other big name brands, and I'm pretty sure hindi kayo magsisisi kung bibili niyo to. So ayun, well, hanggang doon na lang. Thank you for watching. If hindi pa kayo subscriber, please subscribe. Malaking tulong. If you can also like and share the video. Also, if you have any further questions or any comments, anything you would like to say about my channel, and anything na gusto nyong i-check ko perhaps, maybe in the future, just comment down below. So, yun lang. Paalam.